Upbeat music plays. Cut to the scene with the AnkerMake M5C on the left and FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M on the right. Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one product comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, with a showdown between the AnkerMake M5C and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. It's a battle of speed, precision, and, let's be honest, who can make the coolest stuff? Let's see which printer will come out on top. Will it be the speedy AnkerMake or the FLASHFORGE that has more bells and whistles than a marching band? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The AnkerMake M5C is priced at a wallet-friendly $399, making it a fantastic choice for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate its efficiency and solid build quality, often highlighting it as a great entry point for beginners. In contrast, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M comes in at $479. While it's pricier, it's praised for its advanced features and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for serious hobbyists. Overall, both printers have their advocates when it comes to price, but the AnkerMake M5C gets the nod for affordability. Now, let's dive into speed. The AnkerMake M5C boasts a blazing speed of up to 500 millimeters per second, which reviewers are thrilled about, noting it allows them to complete prints quickly without sacrificing quality. However, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M takes it a step further with a travel speed of 600 millimeters per second, which many users find impressive for its efficiency. One reviewer humorously noted that it's faster than their last relationship ended. In this round, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M takes the gold medal for speed. But remember, speed isn't everything. Let's get to the juicy stuff. Print quality. The AnkerMake M5C offers next-level detail with a resolution of 50 micrometers, which has reviewers raving about its capability to produce stunning prints. It's especially appreciated for its all-metal hot end, allowing for strong materials to be printed at high temperatures. Meanwhile, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, with its dual fan nozzles and multiple nozzle sizes, is also celebrated for superior print quality. Users have commented on how it can create intricate designs with ease. In this round, both printers shine, making it a draw based on user needs. Next up, user-friendly features. The AnkerMake M5C is equipped with 49-point automatic bed leveling, which many users find helpful, especially beginners. Reviewers have also praised its accompanying app for easy control. On the flip side, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M boasts one-click automatic printing, making it feel like a breeze for users. Newbies have found it easy to set up and use, although some have struggled with the software. In this category, while both printers have their perks, the FLASHFORGE stands out for its intuitive features. In summary, both the AnkerMake M5C and FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M have garnered positive reviews, each catering to different needs and preferences. The AnkerMake M5C is celebrated for its affordability, speed, and ease of use, while the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its advanced features and reliability, making it a great option for enthusiasts. So who's the winner of this epic 3D printing showdown? Well, it really depends on what you value. If you're looking for speed and an affordable price, the AnkerMake M5C is your go-to. But if you want advanced features and top-notch print quality, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M might just steal your heart and your wallet. Thanks for tuning in to this comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic battle. And tell us in the comments, are you Team AnkerMake or Team FLASHFORGE? Until next time, keep printing smart.